Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I have an unboxing for Stationery Pal. I'm going to have coupon codes with every item description, as well as links to everything I'm showing you in the description box below. Here I'm just showing you some lovely little stuffies. I think that some of those are pins, a little keychain, a little bear, just little extras they add to the box when they send the items. I do have a coupon code for you to use, LizThePaperProject, and if you happen to use that coupon, you can combine it with a coupon that they already have on their site, and that gives you an additional discount. Thank you so much. If you do purchase something and use my coupon code as an affiliate, I make a small commission on the purchases that you make using my code, and that really helps me out as well. So I truly appreciate it. It is no extra cost to you. You pay the exact same price except with a discount, and that is what I wanted to mention as well. They always have new things updating their shop as well, and I just noticed as I'm filming this video, they've added some new pen markers, which I would have loved to check out. And I'm just clicking on that right now just to see them. They are called the brush markers, which again, I would have loved to try those out before this video. And they also now have some paper punches, corner punches, which I think would be so great to have in your collection. They're like under $6 US, so I think those would be great as well. Anyways, for this video, I will be showing you the items I selected, and also the links will be in the description box below if you're interested in anything. Please leave a comment below if you have questions about something, and if you have previously purchased from Stationery Pal from something that I have shared, let me know what you think of the product and also how you have used it. There are some items in this video that I selected that I'd like to get some ideas on, you know, how you would use them as well. So make sure to leave a comment below, and I hope that the coupon code helps you with some savings, and remember to use that in addition to whatever coupon code they have on their site at the time that you visit their site. I wanted to see this paper pack because of the texture that I can see on the images, and so I love the texture for sure of the different papers and the different colors, and I love the combination that they've put together here. This is the 6x6 cardstock paper, or at least scrapbooking paper, I should say. It is a bit of a thinner quality of paper, but I love the vintage style designs. These will be perfect for my junk journals and junk journal ephemera. I love the different colors and designs in this pack. These are the brushable Zig pen markers. They have two different colors on the tips, and I really can't wait to try these, especially with some stamping and just some additional ideas that I have for using these markers. This is another of the paper collections that I really wanted to see. I like the packaging. And look at the different colors and paper designs as well. There's different textures on the paper, which is another great addition to my supplies. I was thinking about this little pocket. It's got like two little pockets in there, and you have the back pocket as well. So I think this would be lovely to keep some ephemera in as well. These other pens or markers that I wanted to try, the colors, I love them because they're very earthy toned, and again, hopefully they'll be perfect for what I'm thinking. Now these are almost like a vellum style sticker because you can kind of see through them a little bit. There's a lot of different sizes of butterflies, and I think they're always a great addition to any scrapbooking or junk journal project. This is another little paper pack that I really wanted to see. I love the colors because they're a little bit on the neutral tones, so I can use them in a lot of projects as well. If you're new to my channel, I share a lot of tutorials, DIYs, and craft with me videos. I will have links to my playlist below if you're interested in seeing how I've used some of these lovely goodies in the past. This is another set of the butterflies, and they're more into like the pink tones. And this is another one of those lovely paper collections that I wanted to check out. I even like the packaging for this because it gave me an idea for like little pockets. And you can see here the designs, they vary in color, but they also have vellum paper to it, which is a lovely addition, I think, to any paper pack. And I'm loving the florals. I did select this because I wanted to see the colors of the flowers. They're very vintage style to me. That's how they feel. And I just really like the color combination as well. Now I know they usually have sales on an ongoing basis at their shop, and they also have a lot of different and new elements that they bring out every couple of weeks, so check them out for sure. And this is another lovely sticker set that I wanted to check out because of the vintage looking pieces, which I really like, and I'm loving the fact that there's a lot of bows that are included in this because it's one thing that I've been looking for as well. This is another one of those paper packs, and again I wanted to see the different florals and the colors in it, and once again I'm loving the design, the colors, and so vintage looking to me. That would be perfect in a shabby chic project or ephemera that I would be making for something that's a little bit more vintage and shabby chic in style. You can see there's a nice selection of sizes and also the vellum pieces that are included. And I really wanted to see what these look like as well. It's a 6x6 paper collection. Again, in more of like the vintage style with a lot of florals and botanical feel with the birds and butterflies. I also like that some of the pieces are vellum, which is always a nice variety, as I mentioned, to have with your paper collection. Now these are some of the markers and pens I wanted to check out. This is actually a glue pen, and I wanted to label it so that I would remember, which means the little tip itself is very specific where you want to add your glue, and I really wanted to have that in my collection. And then you've got some of the lovely dot liners. I really enjoy using these in my projects. It makes gluing something super easy to have those on hand. And I wanted to try some of this neutral washi tape as well. As you can see, I've already opened it up a little bit just to see how it is, and I definitely like the color. And this is another set of stickers that I wanted to see because it has most of the images that are relating to maybe journaling or doing some sort of a scrapbooking. As you can see, it's got the little traveler's notebook and some ink bottles, etc. So I think that one is a nice set of stickers. This one, I really love the idea of being able to pull out a label when I need it. And it's just, the colors are great. They're somewhat neutral, so I can use them with just about any project. And of course, you can roll it back up if you've pulled out too many. And here's another set of scrapbooking style papers. And I do like the variety of designs and colors of the paper. These are perfect for collages, or, you know, to add them in a quick journal entry, or, you know, just to use them up as additional pieces with your work. I like having this type of variety because it's so much easier if you don't have these types of papers on hand. It's nice to have a little something to be able to add to your work. And then here's another sticker set which I really wanted to check out because it looks like it's got some doilies, like actual fabric looking doilies. So the images are just really lovely. As you can see, there's some doilies there. Then you've got just a few little bits that are just really nice looking when it comes to the design, like the little ribbon roll, etc. And then this last one, I don't remember selecting the fairies, but I guess I did. And it's a little set of labels that have fairies on them. So everything will be linked in the description box below. Questions, comments, let me know. And if you want to see a version of this video that only has paper sounds and packaging sounds, let me know. Leave a comment below. Thanks so much for stopping by.